Hey guys, Junaid from Meninfluencer, and in this video I want to go with the best gifts for him. Whether it's for yourself or someone else, doesn't matter, because there are a few core fundamental items that every guy needs in his wardrobe. These are items with which you simply can't go wrong. But before I go into the video, no, I'm not here to waste your time. I know your time is valuable, and therefore I'm going to be direct. I'm here to help you reach your full potential, even if I have to tell you the harmful truth. So if you're someone who would like to know the truth, consider to hit that subscribe button. Okay, so without any further ado, let's go straight into the video. Number 1, Grooming Kit. So I bought this exact grooming kit for my dad and he absolutely loved it. It's a 6-in-1 multi-grooming kit, so you can pretty much use it for everything. I looked around for a while and I'm pretty sure you can't find a more reliable and better bang for your buck. This is probably going to be the recommendation out of all the products I'm gonna mention in this video. So if you're interested, I'm going to have it linked down below along with all the other items I'm going to mention in this video. So on to number 2, fragrance. Acqua di Gio Profumo, if I said it right, is probably one of the best perfumes in this market. You can pretty much use it in every scenario, and trust me when I say it smells super nice. Even perfume experts recommend this perfume. So if you're interested, once again, everything will be linked down below. Number 3, headsets. So I've got 2 options regarding headsets. One is Bose and the other one is Beats. So if you're someone who cares about sound quality more than the aesthetics and looks of a headset, I would say go for Bose. However, if you're someone who would like the opposite, I would definitely recommend the Beats headset. In my opinion, a headset is a must essential, since I personally use it in the gym while I'm listening to audiobooks or simply to music. So it's definitely a good purchase if you need it. Number 4, a watch. So if you're interested in buying a watch, go for a well-established brand such as Seiko. They make amazing watches and they're pretty reliable and it's not that expensive. There's a lot of watches you can choose from and it's truly personal preferences, so I have it linked down below. Number 5, shoes. So I personally like the Nike Air Vapor Max, truly because I really like the aesthetics and it gives a exo shoe look. Not even mentioning that it also gives you a height advantage. I'm not going to lie, it's a pretty expensive shoe, so if you don't want to spend that kind of money, I truly recommend the Stan Smiths. Those are classic shoes which you can match with pretty much everything. So I highly recommend you guys to buy one of these items, since it's truly one of the best items for a guy. Whether it's for yourself, a boy, a husband, or even a boyfriend. So get it now before you run out of time, because I would rather be safe than risky. So that sums it up for this video. But before I let you guys go, I want to say thank you for 2,000 subscribers. It's really amazing how far we have come. It's super crazy to see how quick it went and I'm truly grateful for it. So once again, thank you so much, and if you're new here, consider to hit the subscribe button and I'll see you on my next video.